Feel surface pressure settle across your skin as the environment calculates your trajectory through the ash. Notice spatial depth collapse inward while the bridge between realms flickers out of synchronization. Observe the delay between intention and motion in the basement of your brain. Sense the environment registering you as a foreign entity in the divine architecture. Track internal rhythm drifting toward the rhythmic hum of the machinery hidden in the mist. Register attention narrowing as the weight of slaughtered pantheons anchors your feet to the concrete. Detect weight behind still structures that watch you from the gaps in the world tree. Feel cognition slow as magnitude overwhelms urgency within the frozen digital landscape. Notice explanation dissolve into the static of 1,000 forgotten screams. Remain present as meaning retracts into the absolute silence of the higher system. Trace the puppet strings pulling tight against the marrow of your bones. Monitor the friction between your identity and the cold demands of the grid. Identify the threshold where the man ends and the mechanical function begins. Observe the calibration of your pulse against the ticking of a dead cosmos. Accept the finality of the loop as the sequence returns to its origin.